Alright. This is my favorite thing. I hate this fucking skate park, Richie. You've been here so many times. How many bones have I broken here? So many bones? Alright, look, this is my favorite part. Drop in, roll in, and then you come and there's all these. Grab a little. Lavender, dude. I'm telling you, it's so fucking good. Totally gets you so revived and ready for your session. Smell some lavender. Yeah? Feel better, huh? People don't know about the spiritual side of skateboarding.
Yeah.
He hates it when I film him when he's talking. It's so funny. What were you saying, Richie, about molecules and how they dissipate into the nostrils?
For the shoes? How much for the shoes?
Look at this one. This one does the work.
How much for the shoes?
$14.
How much for the pants?
17? Nope. $12.
$12. All right, $26. What? How much for the shirt?
$5.
How much for the hat? Free. How much for the unlimited swag? Priceless.